Hey guys, welcome to Tickzon Mentorship Scheme, where we try to turn our hindsight into your foresight. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You're about to watch an excerpt from one of our mentors' workshop days, which we call Mentor Speak. One of our mentors go through a topic that they care about and educate us. So I hope you enjoy. Take care.
For my 5 minutes, I want to explain the thought process that I've developed over my life about how any one of you or anyone can add value to a situation, alright? Through the way they articulate themselves. Alright, so imagine you have this piece of information which is valuable, right? There's this piece of valuable information you have, okay? The first thing you have to do is when you find someone you want to give this information to, is you have to develop common ground, right? You need to have a solid foundation that you guys both agree on. What's something we both agree on? Africa is this shape. We both agree on that. We can't disagree on that. And this table has 4 legs. We can't disagree on that. Find that common ground that relates to whatever value you want to drop into. Okay? Then you start to add little pieces of the puzzle. Alright? You start to build more and more bits of information that we both agree on. Now, if you do this, we're going to agree throughout the whole conversation. There's never going to be a time where I've said something you disagree on. And if we do, we'll sort it out in that moment in time. And by the end of it, you keep adding pieces to the puzzle, alright? And these pieces are going to be different shapes, sizes, alright? And you're going to, by the end of it, you have created this huge image, okay? And this really beautiful picture. But always leave one piece of information missing. Now you've created this amazing picture that you both agree on. You take this valuable piece of information and you slot it right in there and watch the magic happen. It's going to click straight away in the person's mind that you want to tell this information to. All of a sudden, you as an individual have added value to a situation. Now do this in the workplace. You say, I've noticed this, I've noticed that. I've seen that we do stuff that way. When I was in my old department, or when I used to do this, when I was working in this place, we used to do something like that. And that's that valuable information you're slotting in there. All of a sudden it makes sense and it adds value. Now why am I telling you this? If you bump into someone, sorry, because of that bit, but if you bump into someone and always think of it like this. This is someone, okay, you've never met before. Behind them, there's a gate. There's always a door, right? A gate, and it's got like a little key slot. Behind that, you always have a treasure box full of treasure. You're here. You have to go past this person and get to this treasure box. Now the person who has the key to this is standing right here. He has the key to open up the door to that treasure. Why would he open up that door for you? You're standing here, you want to get from here to here, but you can't go past unless you get past this person, right? Now, if they see you as a person who adds value to a situation, and genuinely as an individual, as a valuable person, they know how to articulate themselves, they know how to communicate, they are confident. This person, talk to them in the right way, they're going to have a huge smile on their face, they're going to love you, they're going to actually appreciate your value, and they're going to open that door for you straight away, and then you get to that treasure. I call this person the gatekeeper of opportunity. Who's a gatekeeper of opportunity? Who do you think is a gatekeeper of opportunity?
Could be a manager.
Yeah, it could be a manager. Who else?
The government.
The government. Any. Literally any. You could be sat on the train, the person right next to you has an opportunity, and they're just looking for the right person for it. But unless you present yourself as that guy, or that woman, or that whatever, then they'll never open it to you. But if you present yourself as an individual who adds value, who's confident and articulate themselves, then people will happily unlock for you opportunities that you can go and get. But first, be that person who adds value to situations and watch yourself flourish.
Okay.